By 2027, millions of businesses won't go bankrupt. They won't be beaten by competition. They won't fail because of inflation. They'll simply become unnecessary. Because while most companies are still hiring staff, opening offices, and doing things the old way, a new kind of company is rising. No employees, no office, no delays, no excuses, powered entirely by AI. And if your business doesn't adapt in the next 24 months, you may never recover. Today, I'll show you why 99% of businesses are about to be replaced, and more importantly, how to be on the winning side of the AI gold rush. The new gold rush. History repeats itself. In the 1800s, people rushed west looking for gold. Most failed, but the people who became rich were the ones selling the tools. Today, we are living through a new gold rush. Not for gold, for intelligence. Artificial intelligence is becoming cheaper, faster, and more powerful every single month. And just like every major technological shift, most people will ignore it until it is too late. The same thing happened with the internet. Many business owners laughed at websites. Then e-commerce took their customers. The same thing happened with smartphones. Some companies thought apps were unnecessary. Then mobile-first businesses dominated entire industries. And now it is happening again. Only this time, the speed is much faster. Section 1. Why most businesses are weak. Let's be honest. Most businesses today are inefficient. They rely on human labor for repetitive tasks. Slow decision-making. Expensive staff. Poor customer service. Manual systems. Meetings that solve nothing. Middle managers managing other managers. And layers of complexity that drain money every single month. Meanwhile, customers are tired of it. People want faster replies, lower prices, better service, personalized experiences, instant solutions. They do not care how hard your company works behind the scenes. They care about results. Traditional businesses were built for the industrial age. Show up, work fixed hours, repeat tasks, move slowly, follow hierarchy. AI businesses are being built for the digital age. Automated, scalable, flexible, fast, always learning, always improving. That means one person with AI tools can now outperform an entire small company. Think about that for a second. One person with the right systems, the right tools, the right workflows can do the work of 10 employees, sometimes 20, sometimes more. Section 2. Industries already being replaced. This changes everything. This is not future talk. It is already happening. Right now, AI customer service agents can answer customers 24/7. No breaks, no sick days, no bad attitude, no waiting until Monday morning. A customer can ask a question at 2 in the morning and get an instant answer. Why hire a full support team for basic requests? AI can now generate ads, emails, sales funnels, landing pages, social media posts, market research, video scripts, sales copy, product descriptions. Entire marketing agencies are being replaced by one operator using AI. Design is changing too. Logos, websites, brand identity, packaging concepts, product mock-ups, thumbnail ideas. Tasks that once took weeks now take hours. Administrative work is disappearing. Invoices, scheduling, payroll preparation, data entry, reporting, calendar management, automated. Even software development is changing. One developer using AI can build faster than teams used to, prototype faster, fix bugs faster, launch faster, improve faster, and speed wins markets. Section 3. It's not robots, it's leverage. This is not about robots taking over. It is about leverage. Leverage means doing more with less. Less time, less money, less friction. The businesses with leverage survive. The ones without it disappear. Section 4. Why 99% will fail. Now let's explain the 99%. Will exactly 99% vanish? No, but most businesses will become irrelevant. Some will survive but shrink. Some will survive but struggle. Some will remain open but lose market share every year. Why? Because most business owners make the same 5 mistakes. Mistake number 1. Thinking AI is a trend. They said social media was a trend. They said remote work would disappear. People confuse hype with transformation. AI has hype around it. But underneath the hype is real utility. And utility changes markets. Mistake number 2, waiting too long. Many business owners say, I'll look into AI next year. I'll wait until it becomes clearer. I'll see what others do first. But by the time they react, their competitors already automated, already lowered prices, already scaled, already improved margins, already captured attention. Mistake number 3, using AI as a toy. Some businesses use AI for fun. A chatbot here, a funny image there, one social media caption. But winners use AI as infrastructure, to run operations, to improve systems, to save time daily, to increase output weekly, to grow revenue monthly. Mistake number 4, protecting old systems. They defend outdated models because they invested years into them. They say, this is how we've always done it. Our clients expect it. Our industry is different, but markets do not reward nostalgia. Markets reward value. If someone delivers faster, cheaper, and better, customers move. Mistake number 5, underestimating speed. This is the biggest mistake of all. People think change takes decades, but AI improves monthly. What seems impossible today could be standard next year. What seems expensive today could be nearly free tomorrow. Section 5, who will win instead? Now let's talk about who wins. Not the biggest companies. Big companies often move slowly. Not the oldest companies. Age can create comfort. Not the loudest companies. Attention alone is not enough. The winners will be the fastest companies, the smartest companies, the leanest companies, the companies willing to rebuild from scratch. Businesses built around AI from day one. AI media brands, faceless YouTube channels, automated news channels, educational channels, storytelling channels, newsletter businesses. One person can run a media empire with the right systems. AI service businesses, agencies with almost zero staff, just systems, lead generation, client onboarding, reporting, content production, follow-up sequences, AI e-commerce, stores with AI ads, AI customer support, AI product research, AI pricing tests, AI email campaigns, AI upsells, AI SaaS tools. Tiny teams building million-dollar software because coding costs less, testing costs less, support costs less, and speed to market is faster than ever. Personal brands using AI. One creator producing the output of a 20-person media company. Daily videos, emails, posts, courses, community management, research, offers. Section 6. Why speed is a new moat. The future belongs to operators who know how to multiply themselves. AI is multiplication. AI does not only replace workers. It replaces delay. Delay in writing. Delay in thinking. Delay in production. Delay in customer response. Delay in testing ideas. Delay in launching. And in business, delay is expensive. The faster company learns faster. The faster company improves faster. The faster company captures market share faster. That is why speed is becoming the new moat. Years ago, money was the moat. Then brand was the moat. Then audience was the moat. Now execution speed is becoming one of the strongest moats of all. Section 7. What you should do right now. If you're watching this right now, you are early. That matters more than most people realize. Being early gives you time to learn, time to experiment, time to make mistakes privately, time to build before the crowd arrives. Here's what to do immediately. 1. Learn AI tools now, not next year. Now, learn prompting, automation, workflows, content systems, research systems, sales systems. Learn how to combine tools together, because the future belongs to builders, not browsers. 2. Replace repetitive work first. Anything boring, slow, or repetitive, automate it. If you send the same emails every week, automate it. If you answer the same customer questions daily, automate it. If reports take too long, automate it. 3. Build leverage, not busyness. Many people are addicted to looking busy. Meetings, messages, tasks, noise. But busyness is not progress. Build systems that work without you. A system can earn while you sleep. A system can generate leads while you travel. 4. Become a problem solver. Businesses pay for results, not effort, not hours. Results. Use AI to solve expensive problems faster. Can you save them time? Can you reduce costs? Can you increase conversions? That is where money flows. 5. Move fast. Speed is now a superpower. The market rewards execution. You do not need the perfect logo. You do not need the perfect website. You do not need the perfect moment. You need momentum. Launch ugly. Improve quickly. Iterate constantly. Section 8, final warning. Some jobs will disappear. Some roles will shrink. Some industries will feel pain. That is reality. But every technological revolution also creates new opportunities, new services, new products, new careers, new markets, new wealth. The question is not whether change is coming. The question is whether you position yourself for it. Because every shift creates losers and winners. And usually, the winners are not smarter. They simply moved earlier. Ending, powerful closing. Imagine 2 business owners. One ignores AI for 2 years. The other spends 2 years learning it, testing it, building with it, creating systems with it. Who wins in 2027? The answer is obvious. The gap between them may be impossible to close. The AI gold rush has already started. Most people will laugh. Most people will wait. Most people will overthink. Most people will do nothing. Most people will lose. But a few will adapt early. A few will build skills now. A few will create systems now. A few will take action while others hesitate. And those few may build fortunes in the biggest shift of our generation. The question is simple. Will AI replace you, or will it make you unstoppable? Subscribe now. The future moves fast.